I'm Alison, and today we are going to show you the Zhejiang 16 A450 model paper bag making machine with online handle. It is our paper bag machine with its latest state-of-the-art and easy operation system. This will allow speed of up to 200 pieces per minute at a very low labor and electric cost. With this paper bag machine, we can personalize operation and coming out very perfect paper bags. We can also do the bag with printing, and of course, it suits for all kinds of graphic paper, brown or white, with GSM from 70 to 140 grams. Our paper bag machine comes with 4 big differences with others. First, big bag size range from 200 to 450 mm with handle. Second, more servo control to help more accessible and less time to change bag size. Third, we need only one technician and one packing labor working on this machine. Last, machine parts by Japan Mazan and Okuma provide great quality assurance for our equipment. The bag making process is very simple. We adjust the plate to change the bag size automatically. We control the machine through the touch screen. I remind you that this machine has its own software in any of your languages. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to our channel. And if you want more information about the full range of Ounuo, visit us at www.allwellgroup.com. Thank you.